What sociological concept refers to the ability to understand the relationship between individual experiences and broader societal forces, allowing one to connect personal troubles with public issues? Answer C. Sociological imagination. Which of the following is not considered a direct paleoclimate proxy used to reconstruct past climates? Answer D. General circulation models, GCMs. Which of the following processes primarily drives the formation of the ozone hole over Antarctica? Answer A. Formation of polar stratospheric clouds, PSCs, and subsequent catalytic destruction by chlorine and bromine compounds.
Which bioinformatics tool is widely used for visualizing and exploring genomic data, including gene annotations, sequencing alignments, and variant calls, often from next-generation sequencing experiments? Answer C. IGV.
Which type of metamorphism results from the burial of rocks to great depths, leading to increased pressure and temperature without significant directed stress? Answer C. Burial metamorphism. A satellite is in a stable circular orbit around Earth. Which of the following statements about its energy is true? Answer A. Its total mechanical energy is negative, and its kinetic energy is half the magnitude of its potential energy.
Which geological principle states that in an undisturbed sequence of sedimentary rocks, the oldest layers are at the bottom and the youngest layers are at the top? Answer C. Principle of superposition.
What ecological phenomenon describes the ripple effect of changes in one trophic level impacting non-adjacent trophic levels in a food web? Answer C. Trophic cascade. Which of the following best describes the variety of life on Earth at all its levels, from genes to ecosystems, and the ecological and evolutionary processes that sustain it? Answer C. Biodiversity. Which of the following describes the primary mechanism by which the El Niño Southern Oscillation, ENSO, affects global weather patterns? Answer C. Periodic warming and cooling of sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern equatorial Pacific Ocean, altering atmospheric circulation. Which celestial body is known to have a runaway greenhouse effect, resulting in extremely high surface temperatures and a dense atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide? Answer B. Venus. What phenomenon describes the depth in the ocean below which calcium carbonate shells and skeletons dissolve faster than they accumulate, preventing their preservation as sediment? Answer D. The carbonate compensation depth, CCD. Which of the following nutrient cycles lacks a significant atmospheric gaseous phase and primarily cycles through rocks, soil, water, and living organisms? Answer D. The phosphorus cycle.
Which of the following plant hormones is primarily responsible for promoting cell elongation and growth, particularly in stems, and is also involved in fruit ripening and leaf abscission? Answer C. Gibberellins.
What is the primary function of DNA ligase in DNA replication and repair? Answer D. To join DNA fragments together by forming phosphodiester bonds.
Which of the following best describes the primary purpose of a clinical decision support system? CDSS. In healthcare informatics. Answer C. To provide clinicians with evidence-based recommendations and alerts at the point of care.